Welcome back to the channel. I am Kiran Kumar. In this video, we will see the primitive data types which we left in the previous video. So let's get started. Open Eclipse in your system. This is our editor window. In the previous video, we have left int data type, long data type, float data type, and double data type. And now start with the int data type. For that, int I equal to 20. To know the value of I, for that sysout I, save the file, run it. 20 is the output. Integer also accept the char values as an input. For that, give capital A as an input, and let us check now what is the output for the capital A. Save the file, run it. It is showing the numerical value 65. And we will check the how many bytes an integer is and the size of the integer, maximum value of the integer, minimum value of the integer. For that, sysout integer dot bytes, sysout integer dot size, sysout integer dot max value, sysout integer dot min value. Save the file, run it. Integer is 4 bytes and it is 32 bit. The maximum value of the integer is this and the minimum value of the integer is this. That's it with the integer. And we will move to the next data type, long. Long L equal to 20. Quickly print the value of L. For that, sysout L. Save the file, run it. You see output is 20. And long is also accept the char values as input. Let's give capital A as input, save it, run it. 65. So now we will see the size of the long, how many bytes it is, maximum value and minimum value. For that, sysout long dot bytes, sysout long dot size, sysout long dot max value, sysout long dot min value. Save the file, run it. So long has 8 bytes and it is 64 bit. The maximum value of long is this and the minimum value of long is this. As you observe, these are all the double of the integer value. That's it with the long. and we will move to the next data type. It is float. Float f equal to 12.00 f. So this f indicates float value, and 12.00 is the value, and f is a variable name, and float is the data type. Now we will see the value of the f. For that, sysout f, save the file, run it. You see 12.0 is the float value. If we remove the f at the end of the value, it shows an error. You see, it is showing an error. Why? Because by default the compiler will taking this value as a double. If we want to know this value is a float value, then we want to give f at the end of the value. In that way, it is confirming that the value is a float value. And now we will check the how much the float value size is and how much bytes it is, maximum range and minimum range. For that, sysout float.bytes, sysout float.size, sysout float.maximum value, sysout float.minimum value. Save the file, run it. It is 4 bytes and 32 bits, maximum range of the float and minimum range of the float. That's it with the float, and we will move to the next data type. It is double. D equal to 12.00. You see, if we are not indicating that it is a double value, in that case also it is accepting that it is as a double value. If we want to mention it is a double, give small d as an end of the value. If not, by default it is also accepting it as a double value. So let us print the value of d. For that, sysout d, save the file, run the file. You see 12.0, and we will check that how much bytes it is, how much size it is, and minimum value and maximum value. For that, sysout double dot bytes, sysout double dot size, sysout double dot max value, sysout double dot min value. Save the file, run it. So it is 8 bytes size and 64 bits, and this is the maximum range of the double, and this is the minimum range of the double. That's it in this video. In the next video, we will discuss about operators. Thank you. Bye bye.